Prayer. O Mother of Mercy, Holy Virgin, behold at thy feet the traitor, who, returning ingratitude for the favors received through thee from God, has betrayed thee and God. But, O my Lady, know that my misery does not destroy but increases my confidence in thee, because I see that my misery increases thy compassion for me. Show, O Mary, that thou art the same to me, as thou art to all those who invoke thee, full of grace and mercy. It is enough for me that thou regardest me with compassion. If in thy heart thou hast pity for me, thou wilt not cease to protect me. And if thou dost protect me, what should I fear? No, I fear nothing. I fear not my sins, for thou canst remedy their evil consequences; nor the demons, for thou art more powerful than hell; nor thy Son who is justly angry with me, for at one word of thine he will be appeased. I only fear that through negligence I may fail to implore thy protection in my temptations, and that this may cause my ruin. But I promise thee to-day, I will always have recourse to thee. Help me to keep this resolution. Behold the opportunity thou hast of satisfying thy desire to relieve so miserable a creature as I am. O Mother of God, I have great confidence in thee. From thee I expect the grace to do just penance for my sins, and from thee I hope the strength never more to fall back into them. If I am sick, thou canst heal me, O heavenly Physician. If my sins have made me weak, thy help can make me strong. O Mary, I hope everything from thee, for thou hast all power with God.